Hi creative people, I hope you all are good. Well, I'm here with another video. And as you know that I am creating a series of video for the Adobe Illustrator to learn from basic to advanced. Okay. On this video, I am talking about the Pathfinder. Okay, so it is kind of similar to the shape builder tools. The Pathfinder tools will help you to create multiple shapes. Okay, um, but there are some slightly difference between the two different things. On last video I talked about the shape builder tools, that's why I'm like taking some reference or just introducing the shape builder tools. Anyway, so let's get to know much more about the Pathfinder, how we can use, what are the options that we have into the Pathfinder, and why actually, and where we can use that Pathfinder tools. Okay, what is the use case? Okay, so let's jump into the Adobe Illustrator. Well, here we are. So Pathfinder is simply a shape builder. Okay, we can use multiple options to create a shapes. Okay, so how we can get the Pathfinder? It's simple. Windows, and there is a Pathfinder. Okay, here, see, or you can press shift control plus F9 in Windows, and in Mac shift command and F9. So this is how we can enable the Pathfinder. I will keep it aside so that we can get the idea. See, these are the options that we have, like 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so a Pathfinder is actually divided into different shape modes, and these are the other variation, and the name is unite, minus, front, intersect, and exclude. First, let's start with the unite. Okay, so if I select on a two different color, and it will like, so it will unite no matter what color, it will create a one object. Okay, out of these two objects simply. Now there is no much different whether you have a two different color or a single color. See, it's just a simple, it will create a simple shape. And minus front, let's say, so this one is on a front. Okay, so just understand. So if I click this and select that both the shape, and if I select, then the shape that is in front, it will minus it. Okay, so now this time I will make it this in a different color so that we can see, and I will make it bring it in front. Okay, for the front, control shift plus curly braces, right hand side of curly braces you can press to bring front, and then I can select both the shape, and I can press it. See, the object that is front, actually that will cut out. Okay, it will minus. So now intersect is, I hope you already guessed. So it will create the shape that is in middle. Okay, so there is no any much difference in these formats. So exclude the middle part. Okay, that is intersect. So yeah, pretty much same thing, but now a little bit different. So I will move it a little bit up. Okay, and I will use this with, keep it there, and let me make it one in one line so that you can see the difference between. Okay, so there is only one differences. Okay, so it's not that much big, but still you need to understand the basic principle so that you can do in a better way, and you can get confused. Okay, I don't want to make you to confuse whenever you are using any kind of tools or any kind of feature. Okay, so minus. Okay, yeah. Now what I do, I will keep this. I will deselect this. Okay, the remaining other I will copy. Okay, let me expand my artboard a little bit. Okay, I'm pressing shift O to like enable my artboard, or I can simply click here and I can drop and drag to like edit my expand. So wait, so first divide, what it was, let's say first let's create a same color. Okay, except I will create the same color, and for this I will create what do you call it, different. Well, so let's select this two different shape and use divide. So what happened? It's simply nothing, like we cannot see. Okay, let's see at a layer panel also and see. So it's grouped. Okay, it's grouped. Let's ungroup it and we can see the result. So what is happening? It's like creating a different shape and it is keeping it. So let's say what happens if we have a similar color. It's all, it's also a group and there is no any difference. It's just that it creates a shapes using those. Okay, so let's now use a trim. Okay, this second one. So what happened? Let's say, is there anything? Let's see, let's ungroup. So see, we can see the trim, like there is one part is removed but we have a two different shape, just overlapping shape is trimmed. Okay, so front that shape is remain same. Okay, now we have a two different shape. Let's say first which one is in front. Okay, so this one is front, so this time I will keep this in front and I will make it the same color. Okay, so let's select and trim. So okay, let me ungroup and then see, we can see this slightly changed. Okay, so there is no change at all, but just it's trimmed the overlapping shape. So now it's merged. Okay, so there are two different colors. So now I use this one. Yes, yeah, this is this the one? No, it's this one. Oh, okay, so I'm clicking. So let's see, I can ungroup it, right? So merge. Now let's select the both the shape and click. See what you can see. Let's, can I ungroup it? No. So there is only one differences. In other there is no any other differences or we can see anything. But for the merge here we need to understand, if we have a different object then it will work as a trim. Okay, but if we have a similar color then it will work as a unite. Okay, this is the difference. Okay, now let's use crop. Okay, so did you see any changes? What happened? So let me undo this. I will use again crop tools and this also I will use same crop tool. So it is keeping one oval shape and it is creating a different shape. Okay, so cropping the extra shape that is in like behind the any object actually. So this is how it works. And last outline. So if you select and if you click on outline, so it will make a outline version of that particular shape. Okay, so same if we have, what happened if we have the same color? No difference, similar outline. And minus back is just opposite of that front minus front. Okay, that we already did. So select and minus front. Okay, a minus back, and last and minus back. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you get the idea of Pathfinder and how you can use and what are the options that are available in the Pathfinder.